Hello friends, welcome to our channel once again, and we are so happy to welcome you today, guys. How are you guys doing? All right, so we hope you guys are enjoying the fantastic move, especially on Ethereum and other coins. All right, okay, so today we're going to dive into the chart and see what we can drive out from the chart and see how we can position ourselves for the massive move that is going on, especially on altcoin. Alright guys, so if you have not subscribed to this channel, please kindly subscribe, because for you not to miss out from our updates, kindly subscribe to this channel, guys. So let's dive into this chart. Subscribe and like this video. Now, if you look at Bitcoin, I think last time we did a video, we told you guys, I think we were here somewhere here, guys. We told you guys we're going to experience a sharp pullback, and which we saw, and you can see the market is making this wave up. So where are we going from here, guys? Where are we going from here? All right, so if I should clear this chart and I show you, we see that from this chart we have 1 2 3 4 5. So we call like this A, so we can't call this B. All right, so this is not a B, so we're expecting a completion of this B here. So it looks like correctively, so we're expecting something like this to complete this B wave, which is most times like this. Then we have C. So after this C, now if you go to daily, so we can see now that definitely we're expecting, once the market start moving like this, we're expecting another spike. So but this spike now, if it breaks this all-time high, guys, so it's a totally new different thing, guys, because if you break this all-time high, so that tells us that it might become another stuff like this, and then we are going to the moon. So expect something like this might happen. Okay, something like this might happen, but if we didn't break the all-time high, then we expect something like this. So, but in a nutshell, where you should be focusing your attention now is the next break, is the completion of this wave we're in. So look, this is 1 hour. If you go to 1 hour, still the same thing we're expecting. We're expecting the wave to complete. Okay, so go up and expecting this to come up. All right. So it might be based on the pattern we see here. Okay, if you decide to do a 3-wave, then it might come down, or from there you can break all-time high. All right, so just not all-time high, this previous high here. So but just expect that, because obviously this is a running flat. This is a running flat, so we're expecting this next impulse here. So before we can say that this structure is completed. All right, so our fantastic trade, which we are already in, and that's what we're excited about, is the Ethereum, guys. The Ethereum market is fantastic. I told you guys last time that we're here, that anytime you saw something like this, that Ethereum breaks just and concentrate outside the channel, it's an indication that the market is going on. All right, so believe you me, Ethereum might be going to $10,000 from here, or $5,000, which is certain. So looking at this from here, there is no indication for a sell. Okay, no indication for a sell, guys. No indication for a sell. Nothing to show for it that the market is weak yet. So no indication for a sell. So we'll keep following the market as it develops. Just keep following the market as it develops. So let's just be following the market as the market keep developing and increasing in value. Ethereum, I think this is season for Ethereum and some of the altcoin, guys. So enjoy your profits if you're already in the market. Enjoy your profits, but if you are not yet in the market, when should you join again? I think you shouldn't join now. Just hold on first. Okay, hold on. Let's watch what is going on. I'll see the bet until just wait for a correction. Okay, wait for a correction. If you go to 1 hour, I think there might be a little divergence occurring. So what does it tell you? There might be something like this. Okay, something like this might come up. Then before you go, so you can wait for this to join the trend. All right, so wait for this to join the trend. So that is on what? On Ethereum. So if you check out on Cardano too, Cardano also has broken out already. So if you go to 1 hour daily should be better. Okay, look at it here. So what should be expecting from Cardano, guys, is, okay, watch out for there might be a correction that will occur very soon. Okay, a correction might occur very soon, because this is an impulse. So this is another impulse. So once this impulse completed, a correction will occur for the next one to happen. So if you go to 4 hours, 4 hours, you can see, okay, you watch, you see, follow the market to 1 hour, nothing here. So if you come to 1 hour, everything still looks strong, but just everything still looks strong on 1 hour. So but just observe it, follow the market as it develops. So we have this here. Let's watch for this candle to break before we can take the next decision on Cardano. But for now, just hold your coin very tight because the market is just still trending. All right, no sign for a sell yet. No sign for a sell. Okay, so that's just it. So we'll take a look on link chain. Yeah, I think this coin did a lot of move within this last week. Okay, good. This is something you just need to pay attention to, guys. You know, look at what I told you guys last time. And watch out for here. Now, what link chain is telling you now is about to move. Okay, don't miss this thing, guys. If you have missed every other coin, don't miss link chain, because that is chain link. This coin is going to blow up. Going to 100 will just be like understatement. Okay, going to 100 will just be understatement. But let's not give you too much hope. But just watch out for these guys, and there we go. It's blowing up. It's going to happen very soon. So what you need to do now is go to 4 hours. Okay, go to 4 hours. Okay, this has happened. This has happened. So watch out for this. Okay, so placing a trade above this is not a bad one. So this from here, it can be going on. Okay, so if you take it from 1 hour, you can study the internal structure of the chart. Okay, so you can see now the market is, I think it's making an all-time high. It's making an all-time high. So if it breaks this, so watch out for these guys, because something like this might happen. From here, it's going up. If it breaks these guys, you can position your order here to fill in. If it breaks this, it's going up. No stopping. It's going up. No stopping. So watch out for link chain here. Okay. I always call it link chain or chain link. Watch out for it, guys, here, because it's showing a very strong momentum right now. It's showing a very strong momentum right now. If you find out that this thing hasn't really done much, you know, ever since the bull season started, it hasn't really done much. But I believe strongly in this project. It's going to take everybody unawares. All right, it's going to take everybody unawares. So don't be left behind because something big will be happening soon on Chainlink. All right, so that just by the way. So if you take a look on, let's switch other coin. Let's take a look on Ripple, all right, and see what we can drive from here. Now we expected Ripple to move from here. Now you can see how it's going. It's not really that aggressive. Okay, it's not really that aggressive. And let's take a look what we can drive from here. This is 4 hours. So on the Ripple, we have 1, we have 2. We are still going to have 1 more. So expect this 1 more to break this previous all-time high. Okay, expect this 1 more to break. Depends on how it breaks it. If it's very sluggish, then you might expect 1 more down before all. But I don't think so. It might be very, very aggressive in the sense that this will be the move that will be waiting for, that will take it Ripple to $5 and stuff like that. So don't miss this move, guys. So the best way you can position yourself is if you go to 1 hour on this correction. Okay, it's obvious here. It's obvious. So I think this move is over here. Is completed. Right, this is 1. This is 2. This is 3. So this move is over. So watch for this. 1, 2, 3. There we go. So watch for these guys. Watch for this, and there we go. If you are panicking, you can position yourself at this point for this move. So that is what we're expecting on Ripple. All right. For this Ripple, we're expecting something from here to move on. All right. So that's just on Ripple. Then Dogecoin. How many of you guys profited from Dogecoin over the weekend? Last week. Okay. You know, we are here. I told you guys that it's moving. When this was completed, we saw this completion of this wave, guys, and it moves sluggishly. Okay, I was like, you hold on here, or if it's retesting or it's going on. But definitely I made it clear that it's going from here. You can see now what is now the next move from we can expect from Dogecoin. Somebody said, why is it giving back all the profits? Well, it just depends on how and where you actually got in on your Dogecoin. For me, it's not giving back any profit. It's just a normal movement of the market, that anything that goes up comes down. All right. So now, if you take a look from this from on daily, everything looks strong. On 4 hours, what are we driving from here? What we're driving from here is that it might enter a big corrective structure, and this is a sharp sell-off. It might enter something like this before it goes to the next one. So we're expecting something like this. Might spend a lot of time here. Definitely that is the characteristics of Doge anytime it's correcting. So watch for something like this, guys. Watch for something like this, correction like this, then we go. So we're expecting to see Doge correct itself like this. Okay, so for now, I don't think it might be going on from here immediately, but just watch for something like that. Okay, watch for a bigger correction before it goes. Okay, so that's just it. Then if you talk about the SVG, guys, SVG, what is going on SVG? Okay, just moving sluggishly, like most of this coin moving sluggishly, but something wonderful will soon happen on SVG. Just have it in your mind. Okay, something will happen definitely very soon. That once this market completed this, you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, definitely. So what were we expecting? Something like that, and there we go. So watch out for these guys and don't freak out. Hold it tight. SVG hasn't done much. Okay, definitely this is coming up. This is coming up. This is coming up. So watch out for these guys. And anytime it breaks this, when you start paying very massive attention to SVG, especially if you are kind of person that doesn't want to take risk, is when it breaks this channel pattern trend. Okay, so watch out when it breaks this, then it's going to go up definitely. All right, so that just it. Then another coin you should pay a good attention to is OMG. OMG. Wow, we've been on this coin for a very long time. I think since beginning of this year. I think I joined like $2, now it's $12 plus and $11. So you can see I positioned this, my second take profit, everything. I have the position here over. So now you can see now the market is just beginning. I can see this is just the beginning of the new beginning of OMG move. It's going to go beyond this. Definitely it's going beyond this. So how do you position yourself? That's the most important question now. The best way to position yourself is watch out for the completion of this correction. It's not completed yet. It might have a spike here and down more. So watch out for it. It might be a big sell-off. Just like here, we have a spike here, we have a spike here and down more. So either 3-wave or 5-wave move down. That's something you should watch out for. Okay. Now let's take a look of other ones that might interest you. Okay. I think somebody sent me this coin. I really don't know. That's GTO. Okay, we take a look from GTO on the weekly chart. Take this just the beginning of the move. This is just the beginning of the move, guys, on GTO. So what are we expecting? Now, once you should be expecting from GTO is it just begin. We are expecting this is 1, 2, 3. We're expecting something like this. Then we move. So how you can position yourself, you can put a trend because it has already established this trend. So you can put your line here. Okay, guys, put your line here. As it breaks this line, you are going. But something might happen that might be funny. It might do like this, come down, go. Okay, so watch out for that, guys. Watch out for that. Okay, watch out for that. So if you go to weekly, I think it's more clear here. It's more clear here. So all I'll be waiting for on this is we have this, we have this, we have this, then we go. I'll be more interested in this coin when I see this 3-wave down. Okay? When I see this 3-wave, that is when I'll be more interested in joining GTO and other shitcoins like this. Okay? Alright, so that just by the way. So I think Ethereum is the king now. Ethereum is the king now, and I wouldn't want you to miss what is going on Ethereum. Because this is just the beginning. As I said last week, that if there's a coin you should consider buying, is Ethereum. You can see on the weekly chart, look is how it looks like, guys. This is how it looks like. What a fantastic move. This is how it looks like. I think Ethereum will beat Bitcoin very soon. Alright? Ethereum will beat Bitcoin very soon. So trade responsibly, don't freak out. I think you should learn how to hold for a long time. Okay? don't panic for a sell. Okay, if you're already in profit and big profits like 5x, 6x, 10x, 20x, you can decide taking small profits. It's not bad. Take small profits and rebalance as the market corrects itself. All right. So finally, let's look at Binance Coin. Okay, let's look at Binance Coin. You can see the market is not really very aggressive over. So what are we expecting from market now? If you can see the way it's moving now, okay, it makes this all time. So this the way the market is moving is not really that being aggressive. Okay, we have had this. I told you that when this was happening, that this is breaking the all-time high. Actually, it did. So, but look at the way it's going up. Look at the way it's going. Look at the way it's going. So obviously, this has completed kind of 5 wave. So we might see something like this, and there we go. Okay, watch us. It's likely that we might see something like this. Okay, which is healthy for the charts. Okay, which is healthy for the market. So if something like this happens, no problem. But the movement is not over yet. Okay, it's not over yet. So it will become more interesting when we have a fast sell-off and consolidate, and there we go. So watch out for that, and let's see how it goes. All right, so the market will trade as it develops, and that's why we don't panic, and that's why we understand, because we understand the structure of the market. All right, so that's the benefit of understanding wave structure. All right, guys, so I appreciate you once again for your time. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel. If you have any concern or any question or any need for help, you can contact us. We'll be glad to help you. All right, so thank you once again, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel.